Hi, this is JT and Jace with RMUS, also known as Rocky Mountain Unmanned Systems. We've been at this for over 10 years now, and we wanted to take the opportunity, with the new year, to update you on the status of the drone industry at large and preview some of the things to come this year. First, there's currently a unique pivot going on in our industry.
As you may or may not be aware, it's nearly impossible for anyone to get their hands on a new DJI aircraft, enterprise or otherwise. Since roughly September of last year, United States Customs and Border Protection has stopped all DJI aircraft from making their way to customers and dealers all over the country, and the inventory that many dealers like us had available is long gone.
With recent announcements of the new DJI aircraft and the continuing needs of drone programs all over the country remaining unfulfilled, we're looking for answers as to what exactly is going on. At RMUS, we're working as closely as we can with our congressional representation to seek a resolution to this issue, or at the very least, get an official response as to why exactly Customs is not allowing the aircraft to enter our country.
This is where we need your help. We need you to be part of the solution. In the description for this video, you'll find a link to a quick survey. None of this is information that will be shared with third parties. We're simply collecting information to bring to these elected representatives from operators all over the country. So if you could take a few minutes and respond to our survey, we want to help resolve this issue so that we and you can get back to work in the most efficient way possible.
With or without DJI, the industry will continue to grow. For the last 3 years, RMUS has been looking for other solutions. We still feel DJI makes great products. However, there are some missions and use cases where other unmanned systems fit better.
Indoor and confined space inspection is a perfect example. The new Terra X-Cross drone is a purpose-built platform for confined space operation. Among other things, the X-Cross is equipped with LiDAR and is a very impressive platform.
For those requiring top-notch security, we offer the Cirrus from Teledyne FLIR. When it comes to thermal imagery, nothing is going to touch the Cirrus, with its Boson Plus core, MSX image overlay, and simple integration with the FLIR Tools software.
If you aren't aware, we have promotional pricing for public safety entities for Cirrus that's been extended until the end of March. For more information about this promotion, make sure you get in touch with our team.
Finally, for those looking for a portable heavy lift platform, the Real-Time Robotics Hera is a great fit for your operations. We have multiple configurations for the Hera targeting public safety operations, power line inspection, and high-resolution mapping.
Finally, our work on the RMUS Hub continues with support for all of these platforms with in-depth training for each. And don't forget, we offer in-person training for Part 107 test preparation as well. Thanks for tuning into this video, and over the next few weeks we have a lot more in-depth information about these aircraft and other announcements coming, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay tuned with the latest from RMUS.
Thanks for being part of the solution.